I'm Chef Joey Galeano, Executive Chef and Formulator for Delta Oil Company and my personal brand, Chef Joey's Premium Edibles, based here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're here to bring you all types of cannabis recipes. Some are gonna be super easy, some are gonna be super complex, but everything is gonna be fun. Today, we're gonna start with the basics on how to cook with FECO, fully extracted cannabis oil. FECO, yes, FECO, it's the best. Whether you call it FECO, RSO, honey oil, it's pretty much the exact same thing. It's the fully extracted cannabis oil. It has all the terpenes, the flavonoids, full spectrum cannabinoid profile, and it also will give you the entourage effect. FECO is frequently recognized by doctors, clinicians, and medical professionals around the world for its medicinal benefits for an array of ailments. To get things started, we're gonna show you a super easy, super freaking delicious recipe, and it only has 5 ingredients. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. And one of them is FECO. You are going to love this. The recipe we're gonna use to show you the basics on how to cook with FECO is chocolate Lucky Charms cereal bars. First thing we're gonna do is take 5½ tablespoons of butter and place it into a 4-quart pot on medium-low heat. Now today we're using a gas stove, so be careful, watch your flame, and don't get it too hot. Next, we're gonna add a full gram of Granddaddy Perp FECO that tested at 711 milligrams. Look at that beautiful dark FECO just ooze out of that syringe. Now that's Oklahoma oil, black gold, baby. Sometimes when you take your FECO straight out of the package, it's not that easy to work with. So to make it easy to work with, what we do is we take a glass of boiling hot water and place the FECO just on the top of it. This will make it so much easier to work with and get the exact measurement that you want to use. We're gonna mix our butter and FECO combination until it's completely combined. And then we're gonna slowly add our marshmallows and reduce the heat to low. As your marshmallow mixture begins to melt, add 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure it's pure, don't use that imitation crap. Continue to stir until your marshmallow, RSO, butter, vanilla mixture is one melted lava, marshmallowy, gooey goodness. Now we're gonna add the cereal to this bar. I'm using my favorite cereal, and that is Marshmallow Delicious Chocolate Lucky Charms. I don't know why I like it, I just love it. The cool thing about this recipe is you can use whatever cereal you like. If you don't like Chocolate Lucky Charms, use Oops All Berries from Captain Crunch. Use Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Use any cereal you like. That's the dope thing about this recipe. It's versatile and you get to decide how you want it. Next, we're gonna take a 9-inch square baking pan, line it with parchment paper, and start to put our cereal bar mixture inside. As you're putting it in, gently, and I do mean gently, push it from side to side and down. You don't wanna smash it down, because then it's gonna come out like a thick brick and it's gonna be almost impossible to bite and chew, and you won't be happy with the results. Now that your cereal bars are nice and level, you're gonna place it into the refrigerator for about an hour, take it out and let it get back to room temperature. And then we're gonna get to the fun part, dosing. Getting your cannabis from a medical dispensary is awesome because you'll have an actual number of milligrams in each syringe. In this case, in our Granddaddy Perp, we have 711 milligrams, which means if you take those cereal bars and cut it into 10 pieces, you'll have approximately 71 milligrams in each piece. If you want to cut it into 20 pieces, you'll have approximately 35.5 milligrams in each piece. This makes it super easy for you to dose yourself. Another great thing about buying from dispensaries is knowing what you're getting, knowing that it's been tested and proven to be the exact milligram that they tell you. Clean, pesticide-free, everything should be like medical cannabis. And that's it. How easy is that? So make sure you go to your local dispensary, ask for some Delta Oil FECO, and get in the kitchen and start cooking something delicious. For this and all of our other great recipes, Follow us at Chef Joey's Edibles, at Delta Oil Co. We'll see you soon. Peace out, everybody.